Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Now I am showing video how to fix Samsung Grand Prime no power, full short, not charging. It's easy, but when you look this problem, if you are first time about this model, you cannot find where this going full short, how you can fix. So in this video I am showing how to fix if your board going short, no power. First I'll try by meter. Here showing full short BCC main. Look, board is so clean. First time I open it, I will trying to fix it. It was before like 1 month or like long time. It was inside the water damage at the charging connector near the eye showing there. I find there water damage in down. Now we again check by meter. Short PCC main going short. Now how we can find the easy solution if your board shorted, full short, any capacitor or any IC. You can, in this video you can learn good idea how to you can find the easy short where going short. After connect power supply, make your right now your power supply voltage 2 or 2 point more. I write it on 1.9 volt. I look at where going short because charging IC CPU all inside are normally cool, but near DC port near the down I feel in hot inside in this area, not too much, but I feeling hot inside. Let's go now. Let's try checking again in this area by meter. Here I showing this capacitor short, ground and positive same. Here now I remove here I show it two capacitor. I remove one by one which capacitor are shorted. After remove this capacitor component, I will check again by meter. If again board showing full short, then I will try to remove another capacitor near this area. Okay, now remove it. Let me try again. Right, it's working now. Meter are showing is normal. Done. Look, it's easy. If you find the wire are going short, if you identify the correct area are short, it's easy to remove any board if full shorted. Someone try wrong way, remove IC many capacitor, but there no the properly where going short. How we can identify the which capacitor going short? Okay, now I will check again. Charging. Okay, let's try again with turn on. It's done, all are done. Okay guys, if you are helpful, you can subscribe my channel to get always more update. Thank you.